Hi everyone, and welcome to my video review of the Vibe 75 4K UHD Smart Digital Whiteboard Pro. I've been using this whiteboard for a few weeks now, and I'm really impressed with it. It's a great option for businesses and classrooms that need a high-quality, interactive whiteboard. The display on the Vibe 75 Smart Whiteboard Pro is one of its best features. It is crystal clear and sharp, with excellent color reproduction. This makes it perfect for presentations and collaboration. The touch screen is also very responsive and accurate, making it easy to write and draw on the board. The integrated computer on the Vibe 75 Smart Whiteboard Pro is another great feature. It runs Chrome OS, which is a lightweight and secure operating system. This makes it easy to access apps and files and to share your screen with others. The whiteboard also supports a variety of collaboration features, including screen sharing, video conferencing, and annotation. This makes it great for remote work and hybrid learning. The Vibe 75 Smart Whiteboard Pro also comes with a variety of security features. These features include password protection, encryption, and fleet management. This makes it a safe and secure option for businesses and schools. Overall, the Vibe 75 4K UHD Smart Digital Whiteboard Pro is a great choice for businesses and classrooms that need a high-quality, interactive whiteboard. It is packed with features and is sure to meet the needs of any user. Here are some additional thoughts on the Vibe 75 Smart Whiteboard Pro. The price is a bit high, but it's in line with other high-end smart whiteboards. The setup process is relatively easy, but it can be a bit time-consuming. The whiteboard comes with a variety of accessories, including a wall mount, remote control, and pens. The whiteboard is backed by a 1-year warranty. If you're looking for a high-quality, interactive whiteboard for your business or classroom, then the Vibe 75 Smart Whiteboard Pro is a great option. It's got a lot to offer and it's sure to meet your needs. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Vibe 75 Smart Whiteboard Pro. Pros: large 4K UHD display, interactive touchscreen, integrated computer running Chrome OS, variety of collaboration features, security features, easy to use, backed by a 1-year warranty. Cons: pricey. Setup can be time-consuming, not as portable as some other whiteboards. Overall, the Vibe 75 Smart Whiteboard Pro is a great choice for businesses and classrooms that need a high-quality, interactive whiteboard. It is packed with features and is sure to meet the needs of any user. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you soon.